house apartment with one bedroom sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po yung na-locate natin at na-visit na bahay today, February 2025. House apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines with one bedroom. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, yes parking. With sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig, malapit sa highway, malapit sa school at sa market. Open na for viewing. Ito po yung video pag nabisita ninyo itong property. Maganda po yung bahay at maganda rin yung location dahil malapit sa highway, sasakayin ng bus, ng jeep, walking distance lang, may malapit na school, public and private, elementary school, high school hanggang college. Ito po kaka-vacant lang as of today, February 2025. Ito po yung house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines with one bedroom and one bathroom. Welcome po at maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating page, sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.